Alexa, Christmas me.
Merry Christmas.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Hey guys, it's back with JohnyTechReview and I hope you guys are all doing well. So part of my home automation journey is to add some lighting to the house. I accomplished this through a few different ways, using switch, using light bulb, and using adapter, like an outlet adapter. So today I would like to go over this light bulb here, which I got from a company called LE. The light bulb is called the LE Smart Pro light bulb. So this is a Wi-Fi control bulb that is smart and is used with Alexa and also Google Home. So here is what a light bulb look like. On the outside here you can see that it is dimmable, has a color adjustment between 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, so it can be warm or colder. You can see here is rated for about 9 watt and it has an 850 lumen, as you can see right here. So to get started, you need to install a light bulb into one of your lamp or your existing fixture, and then you can just download this app here to configure it. The configuration process was pretty simple. You do need to download the app and kind of register for an account. I use my phone number and they send me a code, and then from that point on I can go ahead and add in the light bulb. It supports multiple light bulbs. I have 4 in the house and I use them in some fixture and also in some uplight where I can put it where I can situate it around the house when I can do different routine with Alexa for parties and stuff like that, so it can come on a different color. So inside it's pretty simple. You have the light bulb itself, as you can see right here. It's make out plastic, has a nice little base here. It's like ceramic, a little bit heavy to dissipate some of that heat, and that's basically about it. It comes with a little feedback card and then a little small user instruction booklet, again teaching you how to use it. So here guys, I have the light bulb installed on one of these uplight fixture so that I can show you in the room here. The LED, when you are going to a different RGB color, different color, is a little bit not as bright as you want. When it's white, it's pretty bright, but when you're in color mode, it's not very that bright. So here is purple. We can go to blue, for example, as you can see right here, and then we can go to kind of like cayenne. We can all go to like cyan, and then go to green, for example, red, orange, and you have it all here. There's also different brightness you can control, so very dim all the way to very bright. Again, even at the brightest setting, to me it's not that bright. It's great for mood lighting, and I can see in this room right now the whole room is lit up. So here we're gonna go all the way white. You can see how bright it is. You see it's much brighter in white than color. And while it's in white, we can also adjust the brightness, as you can see, in different level. It works pretty well. You can see right now, you can have a really cool white or a warm white, as you can see right here. Alright guys, so this is what happened when you launch the app. You have to register, but after that you can create a home, and then up here it tells you some local information when you enter the zip code. So right now it showed me that it's 36 degrees outside, high humidity, and has wind velocity here. So currently I only have one bulb connected here. I call it the uplight. So of course you can use voice control. I'm going to use Alexa right now to show you. Alexa, turn off the uplight. As you can see, it works pretty well. Alexa, turn on the uplight. Alexa, set the uplight to green. Alexa, set the uplight to purple. Alexa, set the uplight to red. Alexa, set the uplight to white. So as you can see, it works pretty well. You can use different color and stuff like that. Here within the app, you can power on and off right here using the control. As you can see, it's pretty responsive. It is using Wi-Fi. And here we can see at the bottom we have smart and we have profile. Here in smart we can add scene if you want to. Currently I don't have anything set up because I use Alexa for everything instead of this device. I only use this app to basically set up and then connect to Alexa. So here, if you click on the light bulb here, it will launch the app, and here you can see white color. You can of course adjust the intensity of that light. You can also adjust different color. You can see like that, and you know, more cool white. If we go back, we can also go to color here, and you can see here in color it's a little bit dimmer, as I mentioned before. We can change the different color, of course, like that, and then you can also adjust how bright that color is. It can be like plain white or all the way to that strong color in saturation, and brightness control is right here. Again, this room is pretty well lit up in general, so the light doesn't show up as well, but as you can see the difference between this and a white. So let's go back to white. And you see how bright the wires. So you want to use this light for general purpose. I think it works pretty well. I think you can also use it for different mood color setting. If you want to do like a scene where you have parties and have different color changing, I think that also works pretty well. So a lot of lighting in my house is through a switch. So there's some opportunity where I can install both for lamp and stuff like this. So I'm pretty happy with this device. So other than that, it's pretty simple. I do not have Google Home, so I can't tell you guys how well that works. But for my house, it's mostly Alexa and Siri. And it has no Siri support, but Alexa works fine. So that is my quick review of this LE Wi-Fi smart light bulb. I hope you guys enjoy this short little review. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment box down below and I'll try to answer them. This is a pretty cheap light bulb and it's a great addition to your smart home device, especially if you're using Alexa or Google Home. Thank you for LE for sending me this light bulb to review. If you enjoyed the review, please give it a like. Consider subscribing and stay tuned for more future review regarding home automation and other products. Thanks.